If you're looking for a great dash camera to put on your car, this is the OneLipo 2-channel dash camera. This is a 4K Ultra HD camera. Has the camera on the front, which is this one, and it also brings a camera for the back. It can be connected to the app that it brings or that it pairs with for you to go ahead and look at the videos that it has recorded, and also to manage all the functionalities of the camera as well. It has a 170-degree wide angle camera, which is the front one, and it has also parking monitor as well, so you can be sure that while the car is parked, it will be recording and having a loop so that you can then review it if you need to. It does have an included micro SD card that's 64 gigs, comes with it, and these are some of the things that come with the actual package itself. Of course, you have your rear camera here that you can go ahead and adjust in different angles, plenty of length on the cable so that you can go ahead and be sure that no matter if you have a big truck or a small car, you're still going to have enough cable to go ahead and get from the front of your car to the back. You have your basically AC power right here that connects to, or DC power rather, to the top, and use USB-C right here. And right here you have the connection for the back camera for the audio and video. Now in order to connect it to your windshield, it brings this essentially sucker right here that it's fully articulated, so you can be sure that no matter how steep your windshield is, you're going to have a good way to go ahead and connect it to your windshield. So once you have it set, all you have to do is go ahead and lock it with this mechanism right here, and you can be sure that it's not going to be going anywhere. Now in order to go ahead and install it, very simple, you just go ahead and slide it on the top right here. You'll hear the click and you're good to go. So then you can go ahead and position it anywhere that you want it. It's very small, so it's not going to take a lot of space or be very intrusive. As a side as well, it includes a bunch of little cable hookups and things like that, so that you can go ahead and manage the cables that are going to be going through the trim and such, and this handy tool that will allow you to go ahead and basically help in the installation process of the actual camera and the cable itself. So great option. Like I said, 4K Ultra HD. So if you're looking for a nice way to go ahead and be protected at all times, these days it's very common for people to either for scams or things like that to crash into your car. This is a good way to go ahead and have the proof that you are in the clear. So good way to go ahead and get protected, and in HD 4K quality. So if you're looking for a nice camera for your car, front and back, the OneLipo is going to be a great option for you.